where we provide accurate estimates for the repair of hydraulic components. We provide the answer to the #1 question asked in our industry: how much will it cost? This do-it-yourself online estimator allows customers to get unbiased estimates on the repair and be confident that the shops they choose to use are providing them with a fair price of repair. When you go to this website, this will be the home page. There's no username, no password required. You just come straight into the home page and you start choosing your estimate. We have all these estimates. This particular one I will do a hose assembly estimator. So we just click on hose assembly estimator. This is the page we get. We come right into here. I'm only asking for the information that is actually on the hose or easily accessible. So on the hose it usually has what size it is. We'll say a -12, which is 3/4 inch. We'll choose that. On the hose itself, it will give you a pressure rating. We will say a medium pressure. We will measure the hose overall length. We'll say it's 38 inches, and we'll put a zip code in here. We'll say, and you can put a zip code or a city name, it doesn't matter. So we'll put Oakdale. And we'll do Oakdale, Connecticut. And then we just hit calculate estimate. Okay, here's your typical repair price range. Really, this is a new hose assembly. So this would be the range it would be. Now you can drill down and get a little more specific by looking down here at the low, medium, and upper. Now we give a description here under low, medium, and upper of what is included in each of those hose assemblies. Now for example, a low may be a straight standard NPT National Pipe Thread on both ends of the hose. Okay, say your medium may be angle on one end, it may be jump sizes going from 3/4 to 1 inch or what have you, and your upper could be metric on both ends, angles on both ends, flange fittings, jump sizes. This would be the top side of it. That's all there is to it. Just go in there, check it out, tell your friends, tell anybody in the industry. We just are providing the software free so that you can be confident that the prices you're being charged are fair.